Now we are going to see how we have built sports scheduler using Postgres SQL. So first we have to download the SQL from the Google. So we'll just download here from the. So in this website here for Windows, right? Here if you click this download the installer, shows the version of the PostgreSQL version and Windows. So we can use the latest version as it supports many features. Uh, so we have downloaded Windows, which is the latest version, which is 17.2. If you click this one, it will automatically direct to downloads. So as I have already installed, downloaded, I am not again doing it. So after installed, it will be say downloaded with the name pgadmin. So here after clicking pgadmin, it will open, right? Wait. Okay. So this is our PostgreSQL. So it will take some time to start here. So this is also this uses SQL language, which is structured query language. Uh, the queries which will be same to, for example, to create a table, we'll use the command create table name, or else to drop the table, drop table name, and everything will be same as I think many of us know about the SQL commands, right? Those are the same commands which we are going to use here. So I think it is taking some time to open. Yeah, yeah. So now it's going to open. So this is our interface of this PostgreSQL. So in the servers, first to connect the server, we have to enter the password. So this password which will be created when you have when you have installed this particular SQL. That time it will ask to create some password. So this is my system here. So as I have in this database, we can create a database. So by right clicking here, create database. So the database name, and we can click here save, but I have already created, so I am not going to create it. uh, so if you want to insert, right, now if I can go to where this SQL is saved. So in my program files, and go to PostgreSQL. So in here in the bin, so if here we can go to command terminal here. So cmd. So here after going to this particular terminal, so now we will be having two commands to uh, open it. So those commands are wait a second. Those commands are p. Sorry, just wait a second. Yeah, those commands are psql minus u post grace gres. So here we have to enter the password. Don't worry if it's just a warning. Next, we have to type the. Now we have to shift to our database, right? So slash c our data. I mean our database name, which is sports underscore management. So connection to server localhost failed. So I mean the spelling is different. So we'll just check it here. Sports underscore management. Sports underscore. Wait a second. So just re-verify here. Manage. So yeah, here you can see you are now connected to database sports management as user Postgres, right? So as I already said, the same command create table, any of the table name like anything, but I as I have already created, I'm not going to recreate it. So table name, open, and so here for this you have to click enter for everything, for every line. So create table, and here directly you can create and close with parentheses. So I'm not going to create as I have already done before. So we'll just select it, select star from, we will just see verify the tables here. So here going to schema, here we'll be having tables. I had session underscore players, session sports, and users, right? So we'll just users. I think there is no data in the user, so we will be not getting any of the output. So now we have to see, we will be seeing our database here. I mean, we will be seeing our output, the VS, the JavaScript and HTML, CSS code. So for this, I will just go to my VS code. So yeah, these are the modules which I have done in my for my website. So here this is the public which will be containing my home, sports icon and CSS everything. In the views, I will be having all my EJS files, which is home, login, player dashboard, register reports, admin dashboard. So as in this, there will be having two categories for admin and the user. So this is my where database is create connected. So if we have seen const pull require user Postgres host localhost database sports management. I have already created the database name sports underscore management, right? So it will be having like this. The password for this is which I have created. So the next one is server.js. Here where this uh, everything is connected. So if we see here, we have started the app. We have all have functions for prevent joining past sessions, which means if you already have sessions, we can join the past sessions. And so these are the things which I have done in my server. So to run this, we can directly go to terminal, new terminal. For to run this node server.js. So if we click, server is running on HTTP, right? We, okay, follow link. So see here, these are the things which we will be having. So sign up. So we'll be entering some name. For example, we'll be having any same ram, email ram@gmail.com. So just remember the information, the mail and password. So the password I will be giving is ram only. Role which he what is admin. So for example, admin register. Email I have given ram@gmail.com, right? The password is also ram login. So available sessions are these are the this particular session which I have already created. So to create a session, we will be having sport team 1, team 2, and create session means it will be created like this. So to log out here, we can directly click log out. So in this way, we can create. We can create. This will be our sports scheduler. So the same thing for the user also. So in this way, we can create it.